Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Southern senators announce final decision on agitation for Yoruba Nation and Biafra Republic. This one, the topic of this segment, okay? And yes, the people when go announce this their final decision, because they call it final decision on agitation for Yoruba and Biafra Republic. The oga pata when carry them go announce this decision, when they go announce now somebody what they call the deputy senate president when be Ovie Omo Agege. Again, you know say them be APC and PDP people. The same people when the whole Nigerian people don't reject. People have rejected Omo Agege from day one when they announced Omo Agege as the deputy president of the Senate. Again, these are the efulefu when they call the caliphate servants, the Fulani servants. You know, say, no day, no time, nowhere when this group of people, when be APC and PDP people, when they go ever talk in favor of anything disintegration. They are all the Fulani servants. Waiting Fulani, don't tell them, make them go talk. Now here they don't go talk. Say, they don't go meeting where they call final decision on the agitation. They don't go do their Ururu meeting. We already expect all these things, ladies and gentlemen. Say all these things go to happen because they know say power won't slip come off from their hands. They know say they don't lost some from Nigerian people. Again, I won't let them know once again. Somebody like this Ovie Omo Agege, Stella Ude, all of them when go inside that meeting, where they go inside, where they talk say Southern people or Southern senators, neither they call them. The so-called Southern senators or the so-called Southern governors or the so-called Southern House of Assembly or House of Rep, they not get any single say over the agitation of Biafra or over the agitation of Oduduwa. Nothing will concern them inside the agitation. Nothing be their business in the decision making. Whether they will continue to agitate or they don't continue to agitate, not be their own business. Or whether Biafra must go or whether anybody must leave Nigeria, not be their own business. None of them, not even the president of Nigeria. The people when they concern. The people when this matter concerns, ladies and gentlemen, now the Nigerian people when get a voice, not be all these criminal public office holders, when be APC and PDP, when we say now them people they run from. How come now them go come make decision for somebody to stay or somebody to agitate or not agitate? Since say now them be the problem of that country when both Biafran people, both the Yoruba people, all of them don't talk, say no, we don't want one Nigeria again. They don't get any single say in the agitation of Biafra. So don't let anybody to deceive you. Say maybe your OB gets say, or your Oba gets say, or your governor gets say, or the president of the country gets say. The people, when the matter concern, when they feel the pains, now them be the Nigerian people. When say no, we don't want one Nigeria again. Not be Omagege get to tell you what to do. Not be the Senate president got to tell you what to do. Or don't let the meeting where they go panic you. Continue to do what you do. These people, the problem when Nigerian people get. So how come they will make any final decision? How come they'll give any final decision or make any final decision or go meeting for who go agitate and who no go agitate, or who go succeed for Nigeria or who no go succeed for Nigeria? So it not consign this group of people. Now them be the problem. Now them be the people when Nigerian people say no, we don't want these people. We want these people to go jail for suffering the masses. We want these people to feel it for suffering the masses. So don't let their meeting to panic you, because in the right hand, like say, it gets any say when they get inside Biafra land, or inside the agitation of Biafra, or inside the agitation of Oduduwa. So una go continue to go on a meeting. Now they cannot don't tell una say nothing go make them to relent. IPOB don't tell una say they no go ever withdraw back. They na ahead. The same to Sunday Igboho don't tell us say no matter the kind of intimidation, na ahead then they. So all this meeting when una they go na meaningless and fruitless meetings. Meetings when no go yield any fruit. Every time this group of criminals they talk about unity, but now them be the people when be the lawless ones in Nigeria. Now them be the group of men when make that country the way when it did today. Now them be the people when they loot you hands down. Now them be the people when sit down on top your treasury. Now them be the people when make you not get job, make you not get light, make you not get portable drinking water, make you not get hospital, make you they suffer. And them be the when they enslave you. Them be the people, the same people, they are not good people. APC and PDP. They don't tell you, say, even in fact, now Dino Malai tell on us, say, now Channel Television, they go talk and say, I repeat once again, say APC, then be NGO, they not be political party. The same rope went by APC, now enter PDP. And those people, now the same people now, when they go this meeting, one can deceive Nigerian people, say, oh, we want unity. Oh, I go use my office to make sure I unite Nigeria. Then they talk like say them be people. All of them, they are not good people. They are not to be trusted, and they will never be trusted. Then they cry for power. Power go read their hand. Now something else you're gonna see. The same way when APC be, so also PDP. All of them are the same people, the same group of people, the same gangsters. When they enslave 200 million Nigerian people. Ladies and gentlemen, I say they not get any say in this fight for the realization or actualization of Biafra, or for the actualization of Oduduwa nation. If they feel say they want unite, may them go back to the north where their slave masters they may them go they unite with them, not be with people from Biafran lands. Not be with people when don't claim say no, we don't suffer tire, we don't want to suffer anymore, we want our own nation. As Oduduwa Republic and Biafran Republic. So they know say they don't lose some. Now make them now they are not counterparts, they are not criminal counterparts. The people what they call the oligarchy in that country. You don't call them, give them, Ghana must go. Oh yeah, go talk to your people. You know, see, we want lose some. If you lose power, I won't take live your life. You know, see, Nigeria now our oil well. We know they come out here. Tell them say now one Nigeria. So they don't go do that. They are one Nigeria meeting again. Come on, thinking see, then go feel convince anybody. This time around, all of una, Omagege, Stella Ude. All of una don't fail. All of una don't fail. The God when they heaven, you already hear the voice, the cry of his people. So make we read, make we see how they go this meeting. As we they read, now so we go analyze this people. As we now put Nigerian people in trouble, now so all of una go still they in trouble. Southern senators announced final decision on agitation for Oduduwa Nation and Biafra Republic. Like say them carry Oduduwa and Biafra give them for hands. Nigerian senators from the southern parts of the country have resolved to uphold the unity of one Nigeria amid calls for secession from some Yoruba and Igbo extractions. According to the Nation, the Deputy President of the Senate, Ovieomo Agege, who spoke on behalf of the Southern Senators Forum on Wednesday, March 24th, said the caucus believes in one Nigeria's unity. He said, "Let me make it very clear that we are united, both the northern and southern senators." That one for the senators now. Abi you forget. Abi you say Nigerian people don't know why on they united. This one before. Nigerian people know why all of them they united, because on sit down on top the treasury of Nigeria. But all of them go pay back. Because on want to enslave Nigerians and Islamize Nigerian people. That's how they send herdsmen when they go kill our people. He said we don't know. We know every Mr. Deputy President, Mr. Unity, when beyond more agege. In Warri where you come from, unity not even there. You talk even in your house, no single unity. You talk of uniting Nigerian people. Abi the whole killings where they kill since 100 years. Oh my God, not there. You don't see and come condemn herdsmen or Boko Haram or bandits or kidnappers. You can't see them because of your treasury. That is why they are united. They are united to rob you blindly. How to rob you hands down. And they send terrorists to invade you, invade your family, invade your properties, invade the city, invade the towns, invade the country. Now I make them they united because they are mafias. That's why you see they don't have any single sympathy of anybody. They continue. They don't tell you that say that they united with the northern people. So you already make it clear. Let me make it very clear that we are united, both the northern and southern senators. We are united behind the leadership of this Ninth Senate, and we have resolved that, notwithstanding the challenges facing the country, we would support a united Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, again one thing I want to tell you today. Government, they are not there to make you happy. They are not there to solve problem, but they are there to give you problem. That is why they are government. They are there to give you better problem, to confuse your states of reasoning and your state of living. That is why they are there. They are not there to resolve any issue. Okay. Omagege disclosed that the forum elected Senator Okpayemi Bamidele as chairman of the caucus. He disclosed that Senator Stella Ode, representing Anambra North, was elected the vice chairman, and Senator Matthew Ogbohede the forum's secretary. According to the Punch, speaking shortly after his election, Bamidele promised to use his office to strengthen the unity of Nigeria. He said to use his office to strengthen the unity of Nigeria. Something when Buhari, when the president of the whole country, not strengthen. Now all these people, when they run rat race, they go Also, go they beg the Northerners, may they give them crumbs. Now then won't use their office to strengthen unity. I say Buhari when be the president according to Ona, or vice president when be Osebanjo according to Ona. Even the Senate presidents. So who are all these people? If all these people, I don't mention their names, cannot even use their own personal office to strengthen the unity of this country, who these people be? We will provide a voice for our people that we are here to represent. We would use the platform to strengthen the unity of Nigeria that we have all promised to uphold. Meanwhile, the Yoruba Council of Elders, YCE, has distanced itself from the secessionist club being championed by Sunday Igboho, a Yoruba youth leader popularly known as Sunday Igboho. Igboho had recently said Yoruba is no longer part of Nigeria, calling on people of the ethnic group residing in the north to go back home. However, Kunle Olajide, the Secretary General of the YCE, said Igboho does not represent the Yoruba people in his call for secession, the Cable reported. In another report, the governor of Ekiti State, Kayode Fayemi, has explained that the people calling for secession from Nigeria are doing so out of frustration. According to The Punch, Fayemi told Arise TV on Tuesday, March 23, that such agitations is expected when there are stress and laxity in society. The governor, however, expressed optimism that the country will overcome its challenges. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you before. Very simple. You see this group of people now, when we don't mention their names right here, all of them are APC, either APC or PDP, either PDP or APC. Now all of them be. So now them be the one Nigerian people. Now them be the people when they enslave you. Then them people when they send herdsmen, take money, put for pocket, carry invaders come from the northern region to come enslave you, to come kill you. The same group of people. So nothing is different. In fact, this thing where they talk, not be today they begin to talk the same thing. The same thing over and over and over again. That is why people they tell and say they lack the will of leadership. They lack the wisdom to lead their people. Because of the same thing all the time. And the same group of people, the same thing, the same time, all the time. That they do. So, Omag again at APC. The rest people like this Fayemi, APC or PDP. The one where they call YCE, the old man, the Yoruba man, when they claim say Sunday will not meet any of their elderly people. Now the same APC or PDP. So what are you telling me? So why they not go tell you say, oh, we go use our office, oh, we go strengthen this, oh, people when they call for this thing, they're not supposed to call for this thing, we go do this, we go do that. They are the same group of people when put you into the problem when you get. So finally, now waiting they inside their hearts, then they speak to themselves because they already done they confused how they want to carry this matter now don't get out of hand. They are all confused. See, and now say they run enter meeting up and down. That's to show you say then they feel the heat from Nigerian people. Then they feel the pain because they know say this one Nigeria where them get their oil well, all of them, the one Nigeria go sleep come off from their hands. Lossa. That's why I see they cry, oh, we go straighten, we go do this, we go that. So, like I said before, none of these people get the say about disintegration. None of them get the right to impose either go or not go. None of them. The people when get the say now the Nigerian masses. These are public office holders, politicians for that matter. When people they cry, see they won't run leave. When people don't already reject, now them be the people once they come out and say they won't do this. So even the president of the country not get any rights because people have the right for agitation. People have their full rights to agitate. And again, the agitation must continue. Forget what in this world they tell you, because now you get the say whether you will stay in one Nigeria or to leave one Nigeria. These people, they have not the inside. They find out in a referendum, and that is why they fear. Because no see, any day when they call for referendum, then they're in trouble, and they can. That is why they cannot do that. And I make now the cannot tell them say, if we not give us this Biafra in peace, we not go see them in pieces. One love, everybody. And Sunday go don't tell them the same thing. I say one love, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to Funky D Star TV News Time. Bye and happy weekends.